3 big misconceptions about VUL. Misconception number 1. VUL is an investment product only. Akala kasi ng karamihan na ang VUL is an investment-only vehicle. And dito nagsisimula ang misunderstanding. Ang VUL kasi is an insurance product designed to protect you and your loved ones. The investment comes secondary. In this way, your money is growing while you are protected. Ang problema, merong ibang tao na ang tingin nito ay quick profit tool. Pero sa totoo, ang VUL ay napakaganda if you have a long-term mindset. In my opinion, at least 10 years. That's when compounding and disciplined investing work to your advantage. The longer you stay invested, the more your money can potentially grow. Sa madaling salita, ang VUL protects you today while preparing for your tomorrow. Misconception number 2. It's a one-size-fits-all product. Akala rin ng iba na ang VUL is the ultimate solution for everyone's financial goals. But just like any tool, it works best when matched to the right person and purpose. My purpose of getting a VUL is to have myself insured while seeing my money grow so that eventually it can pay for my insurance or even my retirement fund. Your VUL plan should reflect your goals, priorities, and financial capacity. For example, it's ideal if you want financial protection during a health crisis, if you want to leave a lump sum cash benefit to your loved ones, or you want to grow your money over time while staying insured. Kung ikaw to, then a VUL might be worth exploring. You can check the link in the comments or bio to learn more about Sun Life's VUL. Pwede ka rin makipag-usap ng Sun Life Financial Advisor to discover how a VUL plan can be customized for you and your family. Misconception number 3. VUL products are expensive. At first glance, mukhang mas mahal ang premium compared to a basic life insurance plan. But when you look at the bigger picture, you'll realize you're getting so much more than what you are paying for. If magkasakit ka, your riders can help cover your medical or hospitalization expenses. If you suddenly pass away, your family will receive a lump sum cash benefit. At kung walang mangyari, which is the best case scenario, your investment fund can help you reach your future goals like your child's college fund or your retirement plan. As you can see, VUL is a dynamic product. It protects you and your family today while investing for your future. So curious lang, ano ba ang mga pangarap na gusto mong protektahan para sa pamilya mo? Share mo lang sa comment section.